Andy and Bruno. Give me back me clutches, Thomas! Ah, no! I'll keep running forever! Get back here! Sandy... we should probably help with that, but whatever. Sandy is a tiny engine.
Actually, I'm not an engine.
Then what are you?
I don't know.
But anyways, Sandy... Wait, Sandy, what do you even do?
I don't know. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna go rewatch or reboot real quick.
A quick binge watching of all 4 seasons of All Engines Go later.
Okay, so, focus.
Yeah?
You know about Victor and Kevin?
Yeah. I could basically just work here. Oh. Sandy works in the Steamworks. Shocker. Wow. And you think this welder thing wouldn't give it away. Let me just take it off real quick. But yeah, as if this thing wouldn't give my job away. Meanwhile, Bruno often works alongside Rusty, the diesel on the narrow gauge railway. What are you doing here? We've been spotted! Run! But they often work together, clearing away the ballast on the line. But one day, Bruno decided, I'm gonna do a stupid. He held on his brakes. Bruno, are you doing a stupid? No? Okay then. Let's move. I said let's move. I know I'm a bit old, but I'm not that stiff. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Ah! Rusty went the way of Diesel in Season 6. Ah! Ow! Whoa, there goes Bruno. And Bruno raced down the line, straight into the buffers. And yeah, he did a stupid. Ballast and rubble went everywhere. His truck, ignore the truck inconsistency, but the trucks were wrecked and rubble was everywhere. Bruno was dangling off the set. Oh no! Oh no! Oh boy! Oh no! I'm gonna fall! I'm gonna fall! Good fall! Good fall! Oh. At least this coupling saved me. No, it didn't. Wait, what? Oh, you bit!
Thanks for bringing him in her hurricane.
Yeah, whatever. Well, that's all I'm gonna get this episode.
Can you join my Discord server?
No.
Oh, I'm not gonna get anyone to join it. You're gonna be out of here in a couple weeks, bro.
Okay.
Months. Ow!
A couple weeks later, Bruno got out. Alright, guess you're gonna be working with me for a while. At least until Rusty comes back. Okay. So, Freddy and Bruno worked until Rusty got back.
Were you working?
With Bert often coming to help. Hello, calling Bert. Yeah, we know that, Bert. All engines go. One night, the 2 engines and brake van were all in the sheds. How long does Rusty still have him there? Oh, I heard about it a couple days. Wait, I thought Bruno wasn't able to move. I have small jolts here and there. Okay. Wait, what? And Bruno ran, shoved, and he jumped, and he yeeted himself on his side. Oh, great, now I'm stuck. Unless... Whee!